Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about APNX new C1 mid-tower case. So friends, the premium mid-tower APNX case brings together a beautiful new look with a one-piece mesh panel that wrap around the front and right side panel, robust build quality, impressive out-of-the-box cooling performance with its 4 times pre-installed 120mm FP1 PWM ARGB fans available in black, white, and two-tone ChromaFlair. The C1 started MRP of $139 and friend. The C1's curve edges, smooth finish, and toolless paneling make for a comfortable building experience regardless of how you want to build. And the front L-shaped mesh panel gives the C1 its unique look and excellent thermal efficiency as the large mesh area optimizes front and side airflow, and the C1 case is designed to perform right off the box 4 times pre-installed 30mm APNX FP1 fan come in the case, delivering a boost to thermals without the need to buy separately. The FP1 achieves an impressive and efficient 86.9 CFM airflow with up to 1600 RPM, a performance boost of 30 to 50% over regular 25mm fans, and it provides perforated front, side, and top panels for multiple cooling configuration. The interior allows for up to dual 360mm radiator support, 11 fan slot clearance of even the biggest graphics card, and an optional GPU card holder and riser cable kit. If you want to go for a clean build, the removable cable management sidebar on the motherboard backplate will help to funnel and hide your cables. And friend, the other feature include 8mm panel thickness made of HGCC and SCCC steel I/O panel ports, 2 USB 3.0 Type A, 1 USB 3.0 Type C, 3.5mm audio jack, 2 removable dust filter, one behind the front panel and other under the case, rubber comet and Velcro strap for cable management, and GPU card kit provide a card holder and riser cable. And friend, it will be sold at MRP of $139 for black or white color option and $159 for ChromaFlair color option. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.